Hi everybody, this is Dr. Worrell here, and I'm recording this video as a introduction to the course and to myself. Um, just wanted to let you guys know, obviously, that your course site is available by the time that you get this video. Um, I usually try to record individual course introduction videos for each one of my courses. However, my software is having a little bit of an issue, and unfortunately that's going to prevent me from being able to record in the normal manner that I do. However, I do have a video that is already in your course site. It is from this semester. It's just from a different section. So what I'm asking you all to do is take a look at that video for the information in the video only. Okay, it will give you an overview to your Canvas site. It will talk to you about how your grade is determined. It will give you, or at least some of the introduction to my policies for the course. It will also talk to you about how to navigate the course site, how to find the lab manual. All of these things are discussed there. Like I said, my software, I just recently got a new desktop computer in my office here, and unfortunately, when they put the new software package on, they didn't put the right recording software onto the actual computer. So I'm trying to get that fixed, and hopefully I will be able to. But nonetheless, I just won't be able to record a specific individual course introduction video for you guys. So let me kind of show you where to find the complete course introduction video. And in doing so, I'll kind of tell you a little bit about how to get started in the course in the few minutes that I have, because this recording program that I'm using is limited on time, so I don't have a lot of time to walk you through everything. All right, so if you guys navigate toward the modules area of your Canvas site, you will see the initial module, which is the Start Here module right there, okay? Once you're on that Start Here module, you will need to go through all of the items here. So you'll have to view the departmental syllabus, view the syllabus addendum, view the calendar, view the requirements for technology needed, and also view the communication law, okay? What you're going to see occupy the space right here, is not there right now, but I'm going to go back and edit this module, is you will see the course introduction video for my Term J course. Now, my Term J is a 12-week course. You all are a Term B class, which is an 8-week course. So it's a little bit shorter in duration, but the information that's in there is 100% the same as what I would tell you all in your own individual video. Like I said, I walked through how to activate the modules, how to find where your grades are, all that kind of stuff. Just to let you guys know, it's very important that you complete the Start Here module as well as the Respondus Info module. My modules are set up in a linear fashion, so you have to complete one before the next one unlocks. So notice that you have to come in and you have to finish the Start Here module. Oh, sorry, I circled the wrong thing. You have to complete the Start Here module before the Respondus Info module goes live. In the Respondus Info module, you'll have to look at the Respondus Guidelines document. You have to watch this video about how to do a proper environment check, and you'll also have to take the protocol quiz. On the protocol quiz, you have to get a 5 out of 5. In other words, you have to answer all the questions correctly. Once you finish the Start Here module, and then you move forward to finish the Respondus Info module, all the other modules will unlock. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, because notice how the Exam 1 module is locked out. You can't access any of these links until you complete the Respondus Info module. And that's how it will be for all of them, okay? Once you finish the Respondus Info module, every other item in this Canvas site will unlock. Now, all of that's explained in the course intro video. I go into much further detail there as well. So once again, please make sure that you watch that video. I will also very briefly mention that it's important that you complete what I call the census assignments. The census assignments are actually due on March 20th, but I highly encourage you to do them earlier. It's odd, I know. I extended the deadline for these, but in order to meet your first deadline, which is Saturday, March 18th, you actually have to do these first. So there's no way you can get to the Exercise 1 quiz, the pre-lab quiz, or the Wiley quiz unless you come in and you do the communication log and protocol quiz. So, like I said, it's a little bit of a hiccup. I probably should have planned it out a little bit better, but nonetheless, definitely need to get those census assignments done, because if they're not completed, unfortunately, I would have to drop you from the class, okay? All right, so with all that being said, I'm going to start to kind of move to a point where I end this video. Remember, in the modules area of your course site, I'm going to add another video about right in this location. It'll be the course introduction video for my Term J class. You can ignore any dates or anything that specifically refers to their class. So usually that's the dated material. Use it only for the information, please. Once again, make sure you get started as soon as possible. That way I won't have to drop you from the class. And if there's any confusion, I apologize ahead of time. And I also would say, please send me a message or send me an email if you do have any confusion, so that I can go ahead and get you clarified on those points. All right, hopefully this all makes sense. Like I said, if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to working with you guys during the course.